Great achievements are always the product of routine and systematic improvement efforts. 66 years after the first human flight, we sent 3 people to the moon. That's over 10 million times as far, but it only took an average of 28% improvement every year to accomplish that. By combining inspiration and the scientific method to improve each year, huge changes are possible. If we applied that to education, what might we accomplish? Proving Ground puts the science in improvement science, helping education agencies leverage their staff's commitment in the scientific method to unlock the potential of students and educators. Proving Ground builds your district's capacity to use evidence to improve every year, helping you to find and scale what works and discontinue what doesn't. Our improvement coaches work with school districts to design and test evidence-based solutions to their specific challenges. With our custom app, you can use your own school's data to identify, design, and test programs for your unique students, ensuring that students benefit from the successes and failures of the past. And by joining a growing network of districts, Proving Ground partners amplify their insights and learn from each other. For example, in 2018, 2 partners working on attendance piloted a simple intervention to reduce absenteeism. It reduced absences by nearly 8%. Learning from this success, more Proving Ground partners piloted the same intervention in their districts with similar results. This process of learning together resulted in thousands of instructional days gained across the network. That's because Proving Ground helps you learn from your peers and develop solutions that are based on evidence. Whatever your moon landing, we want to help you achieve it. Proving Ground makes it easy to develop and execute your improvement strategy. Proving Ground's web app guides you through the continuous improvement process, helping you choose, design, execute, and evaluate your improvement strategies. Once you create a new intervention, the system will guide you through each stage of the improvement process. Find the tools you need for each stage of the process, from getting input from stakeholders to deciding whether to scale up an intervention. Use the intervention catalog to find and compare existing evidence-based interventions for relevant root causes. When you decide which intervention to try, we'll guide you in building a detailed implementation plan. We even have pre-populated implementation plans for some interventions, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. A series of built-in prompts will guide you through the process of thinking about all the key conditions of the intervention you've chosen. As you plan, you can assign tasks and due dates to members of your organization. These will appear as notifications on the homepage or can be viewed in the task overview. Depending on which Proving Ground service you choose, you'll either select a research design or Proving Ground will handle that for you. And once you've implemented an intervention, you'll get an impact report so you can decide whether to scale up, adapt, or stop your intervention. If you have questions or want to connect with other members of the network along the way, you can reach out through our custom Slack workspace. Proving Ground's web app makes the hard work of improving outcomes for your students easier. Contact us to learn more.